First sum, Gauss Seidel iteration method. Solve the equation by Gauss Seidel method of iteration. 27x plus 6y minus z equal to 85. 6x plus 15y plus 2 z equal to 72. X plus y plus 54z equal to 110. By using Gauss-Seidel iteration method, first we have to check the diagonal terms are large to compare other coefficient. Equation 1, x value large to compare y and z. Equation 2, y value large to compare x and z value. Equation 3, z value large to compare x and y. So we can solve the given linear equation by Gauss-Seidel iteration method. First, here 27x, equation 1, we have to find out the x value. X equals 27, we can take that side 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6y and z we can take that side. Now it will change into plus z. Next y equal to 1 divided by 15. 15 we can take that side. 72 minus 6x and minus 2z. Next z value, z equal to 1 divided by 54 within bracket 110 minus x and minus y. Okay, this is the x, y, z. First we have to find out the first iteration. First iteration for the x, y, x, we have to substitute y and z value 0. In equation x, we have to substitute x, y and z value 0. Now the first iteration of x, 1 divided by 27, and here y value, z value 0. So 85 divided by 27. 85 divided by 27. We can get the result 3.1481. 3.1481. And y iteration 1 equal to 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6. X value we have to substitute the first iteration x value into 3.1481. Okay, minus 2, z value 0. So this is for full 0. Now simplify this one. The result we can divide by 15. Now result 3.5407 and iteration 1 in z, 1 divided by 54 within bracket 110, and x value to substitute the first iteration 3.1481 minus y iteration 1 value 3.5407. Now result, simplify this one and divide 54, we can get 1.9132. 1.9132 7. Next, second iteration x2 equal 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 y value. We have to substitute the first iteration 5407 plus z value, first iteration of z 91327, and simplify this one. We can get the result 2.43218 and y of 2, second iteration of y 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x for second iteration and x 2.43218 minus 2 into z value of first iteration 91327, and simplify this one. That result divided by 15, we can get the result 3.57204, and second iteration of z 1 divided by 54 within bracket 110 minus x value, second iteration result 2.43218 minus y is second iteration of y 3.57204, and simplify this one, and that result divided by 54, we can get the result 1.92585. This is for first iteration result, and this is for second iteration result. Now to compare these two, both results are not same, so we have to do the next iteration, third iteration x3 equal 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 y value, second iteration result 3.57204 plus z value, second iteration result 1.92585. Now simplify this one. That result divided by 27, we can get the result 2.42569, and y of 3, third iteration of y 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value of third iteration 2.42569 minus 2 into z value of second iteration 2.192585, and then to simplify this one, that result divided by 15, we can get the result 3.57294, and third iteration of z 1 divided by 54 within bracket 110 minus x value, third iteration of x 2.42569 minus y value third iteration result 3.57294 and simplify that result divided by 54 we can get z value 1.92585. Now third iteration result compare with the second iteration, both results are not same, so we have to do the another iteration, that is fourth iteration x4 1 divided by 27 85 minus 6 into y third iteration 3.57294 plus z value 1.92585. This result divided by 27 we can get the result 2.42549 and y of 4th iteration of y 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value 4th iteration result 2.42549 minus 2z 2 into z value 1.92585 equal. Now simplify that result divided by 15 we can get the result 3.57302. Iteration 4 in z 1 divided by 54 within bracket 110 minus x minus y, x value 4th iteration 2.42549 minus y value 3.57302 and simplify this result divided by 54 we can get 1.92595. Now the fourth iteration result compare with the third, both are not same. So we have to do the another iteration. Fifth iteration x5 equal 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 into y value the fourth iteration 3.57302 plus z value fourth iteration result 1.92595. Now simplify this one, that result divided by 27 you can get the result 2.42548 and y of 5 equal 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value we have to substitute the fifth iteration 2.4254 minus 2z value fourth iteration 1.92595 and simplify this one, result divided by 15 we can get the result 3.57301 and z5 fifth iteration of z 1 divided by 54 within bracket 110 minus x value, fifth iteration of x 2.42548 minus y value, fifth iteration 3.57301. Now simplify that result divided by 54. You will get the result 1.92595. Now to compare the fourth iteration with the fifth, here the 2.42549 and here 2.42549. Here both results are similar. After decimal point we can take up to 4 decimal places. Here 4254 and here also 4254. Y value 3.57301 and fourth iteration 3.57302 and Z value for fourth iteration 1.92549 and fifth iteration 1.92549. After decimal point we can take up to 4 decimal places. After decimal point we can take the 4 decimal places. In 4th iteration 2.425, here 49, the fifth decimal point above 9, so above 5 means we can add one value. Here also same thing, x is equal to 2.425 and fifth digit above 5. So 4 we can change into 5, 2.425. Y value 3.57301 and here also 3.57302. Okay, here the fifth digit below 5, so we can add up to the 4 decimal places 3.5730 and Z value 1.9259. Here 5 means we can take up to only the 4 decimal places. Suppose more than 5 means we can add 1 here. This is for 5 and below. No need to add for 1. So we can write the result 1.9259. This is the value of x, y, z. The given linear equation by using the Gauss-Seidel iteration method. Here the x value, y value, z value, to substitute any one of the given 3 linear equations and to find out LHS is equal to RHS, result will be verified. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.